Jules, welcome back to my channel. I found a bunch of pumpkins in Walmart and decided to do some fall decorating. Stay tuned. I also picked up this Waverly paint in pink, green, black, and white and went on to my project. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I found this awesome basket door wreath in Walmart and I grabbed one of the picks so that I can incorporate the black into the basket. I took one of the picks and I just painted over the orange. I am so in love on how they turned out. I bought two long dowels because I am going to be using the urns that I use for my Christmas topiaries, and you guys know that it has the little hole for the dowel to go in, and I poked a hole on each of my pumpkins. Also, those orange pumpkins that are on the table, I found those in Dollar General and they had our monogram S and R, so I bought those to be the top of my topiary. So I'm going to take the dowel and a small wreath that I had from previous projects, the urn, and I'm going to put it in the center of the urn. Then I'm going to start placing my pumpkins to create my tower. I also picked up this beautiful check bow in the Christmas decoration area, and I'm going to add it to my beautiful topiary. To add some fullness to the bottom of the topiary, I got these Dollar Tree beautiful faux leaves and I added a bunch to the bottom. I think I used at least 4 bundles. Guys, I am so in love with this topiary and it was on a total budget. All of the pumpkins and the bow cost me about $20 to $25. I saw a topiary, a large topiary, and it was only 3 pumpkins, and it cost like $60-70, and that was on sale. So I think you guys can do this, do it on a budget, and the front porch, put it in your house wherever you want it. It's absolutely gorgeous and it will look beautiful. Now, for my next DIY, I decided to take some of the bricks that were used to build my house. Every time I came to visit the site, I picked up a brick from the trash, and I'm going to use that to make a bench for my front porch. I'm also using wood that was used at my house, that was in the trash in front of my house. So this is kind of a sentimental thing to me, and I am going to put a quick small bench together. I have a long stoop. It's not really a porch, so this would be really good to do a seating area and also to make a nice accent to the porch. I'm going to be painting the bricks in black, gold, and silver, and on top of the wood, I will be putting a blue covered pillow to add to the accent because my door is a navy blue. I added some greenery, some beautiful throw pillows, and a check rug, and my front porch stoop was done. Well, guys, what do you think? Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you would have done differently, or if I should add anything. Any advice will definitely be welcome. Once again, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like and share with your family and friends. I hope to see you guys soon, and goodbye for now from DIY with Jules. Bye.